Good morning, student. See, today we have to learn about the Aschelminthes. We already completed introduction of the classification of animals. Next, we completed Porifera, Coelenterata, and Platyhelminthes. See, next we have to fourth one Aschelminthes. It is a long thread-like. Is there long thread-like or cylinder or cylinder like round worms is there are called, so it is a long thread like structure is there, we are calling the as Aschelminthes. And round worms also is there, round worms. See, round worms also is there. We have to see the here this like structure is there. See, this like structure is present, and we have to see the here. See, this like structure is there, this like structure. Next, freely living endoparasite. So it is a freely living or endoparasite. So it is a endoparasite. See, next, free animals are either aquatic or terrestrial. See, these animals is a aquatic or terrestrial. See, if these animals living in the water or land. So it is a, these animals has a triploblastics. Their body is a triploblastic and pseudocoelomate. See, their body is a what is triploblastic and pseudocoelomate. Next, non-segmented, covered with. See, these were non-segmented, covered with. So it is a tough cuticle. See, these animals is a tough cuticles also present in their body. See, these are a unisexual. These animals is a unisexual organisms. We have to see the here this body. See, here is a mouth is there, and here is a genital apparatus. Aperture is present. Next, we have to see the here is there hole at tail. It is a hole is there, and this is a tail. This is organisms, and it is a mouth, hole, and tail. See, here is a mouth is there. See, here is a hole, and see, this one is a tail. See, this one is a male, female. This one is a female, and this one is a male. See here, once we have to see, these are examples of planaria. See, filarial and ascaris. See, these examples is a examples. See, examples is a filarial. Next, ascaris lumbricoids. It is living in the intestine. These living in the intestine. These animals is living in the intestine. For example, we have to see the small kids. Small kids is playing with the mud, or the small kids is eating the mud particles. Mud particles. The mud particles is entering into their digestive system. What will happen? This like worms is growing in their digestive systems. See, why when going to the latrine, what will happen? These worms is coming outside, and it is getting the stomach pain. See, this like is there. Next, we have to see the filarial diseases. Filarial diseases means elephantiasis diseases. Which organs is towards the gravity? See, this like hand, leg, it will be swollen their body. See, that's why filariasis also is occurring. See, these organisms is more active in night. See, first Aschelminthes, it is a long and thread-like is there, cylindrical structures, roundworms is there. See, freely living. See, endoparasitic. Endo means inside the body they are living. Next, aquatic or terrestrial, they may be living on water or land. See, triploblastic. See, already learned. Pseudocoelomate. There is no coelom in their cells. Non-segmented. Covered with tough cuticle. Non-segmented is there. Is there any segmented? No. There is no segmented. See, non-segmented covered with tough cuticle. Cuticles also present on their body. It is a unisexual organisms. Aschelminthes is a unisexual organism. Okay. Next phylum. Next phylum is a, what is? Annelida. Next phylum is a Annelida. See, next phylum is a Annelida. Annelida. See, next phylum. See, these are a cylindrical or metamerically segmented. These are, their body is a cylindrical or metamerically. See, metamerically segmented. Metamerically segmented. See, we have to see this organisms, this like is there. See, here is a segmentation is there. Segmentation, this like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This like segmentation is there. Segmentation. See, this body is look like, their body is a look like this like. Okay. See, segmented is there. Best example is a earthworm. Best example is a earthworm, this like. Best example, earthworm. See, this like is there. See, earthworm. Best example, earthworm. See, free living, but few are ectoparasite. Free living. These organisms is a free living ectoparasite. Ectoparasite is there. Next, free living animals, marine or freshwater. These are free living marine or freshwater. fresh water. Living inside the marine water or fresh water animals. Next, triploblastic, bilateral, symmetrical and eucoelomate. Triploblastic, bilateral, symmetrical, and eucoelomate. See, true coelom is a present here. See, triploblastic, already know, bilateral symmetrical and eucoelomate organisms is there. They have seated or see, seat is there. They have seated. Setae is present. Setae is present. See this like setae is there. Next, paraphodia. See, paraphodia also is there. Paraphodia also present in these organisms and sucker for locomotion. Sucker for locomotion. See, in these organisms for is a locomotion is there, moving one place to another place for food substances. It is a required the food. That's why it is a locomotion. Body covered with special cuticle. Body covered with special cuticle. See, body covered with the special cuticle and hermaphrodite, unisexual. Hermaphrodite, unisexual. Hermaphrodite and unisexual. Earthworm, leech. Best example is a earthworm, leech. The best example is a two is there, earthworm and leech. But we have to see the Annelida. See, their body is a cylindrical, metamerically segmented. See, it is a segments is there. See this like segments are present in their body. Next, we have to see the free living and ectoparasites. See, ectoparasites and it is a free living. It is living in fresh water or marine water. See, triploblastic, bilateral, symmetrical and eucoelomate. True coelom is present in their cells. They have a setae, a paraphodia or sucker for locomotion. See this like. See this like is there parapodia. See this like moving. See some animals for. Okay. Moving. Next here special body covered with special cuticle. Cuticles also present on their body. Hermaphroditia is a unisexual. So it is a example is a earthworm and leeches. We have to see the earthworm. Earthworm for we are calling the friend of the farmer. See, for example, this is a mouth. See, this animal is eating the mud. See, it is helping to the farmer. See, nitrogen fixation is occurring. Nitrogenous waste is secreting in their soil. The soil will become a porous and soft and see, it is a anus. Next, here is a segmented, is there? Segmented. Segments also present. Here is a clitellum also present. See, this like clitellum also present. What will happen? See, clitellum is a present, means here is a sex organs is there. Okay? So it is a, in this earthworm, it is a male and female reproductive system also is there. See, 5th, 6th, 7th, this segmentation has a male, and 12th, 13th, 14th, this segmentation has a female. Female organs, male organs is a present in the this earthworm. We have to see the leeches also example. Leeches. We have to see once Aparchitudu movie is there. And in the Aparchitudu movie, they are giving to the Krimi Bhojanam, who is doing the fraud, who is not following the rules and regulations. See, these leeches is a sucking the blood of the animals. Sucking the blood of the animals. This is a annelida. Annelida. See, once it is a completed annelida. Next we have to go to the arthropoda. See, in this arthropoda animals, in this phylum is a largest organisms is present, arthropoda. See, arthropoda means jointed legs. Their body is jointed legs. Jointed appendages. Jointed appendages is there. See, we have to see the butterfly. In this butterfly, see, they have a jointed jointed appendages is there. Jointed appendages. See, in their legs. Next, see this earthworm. See, this is a butterfly. Butterfly. See, jointed appendages is there, and longest animal on the earth. See, largest animals. See, largest animals. Largest animals. Animals on the earth. See, at our home only we have to see the housefly is belongs to earthworm. Cockroach, earthworm. Mosquitoes, earthworm. Next, found in deepest ocean too. See, these animals found in deepest, see, deepest ocean too, and we have to see the highest mountain region. Highest mountain region. Highest mountain region. Next, we have to see the these animals. Next, we have to see the these animals is it found in deepest and triploblastic eucoelomate. Triploblastic eucoelomate, see triploblastic, eucoelomate, bilateral symmetry, bilateral symmetry. Next we have to see the segmented. See this one. It is also mostly ectoderms. Next unicellular. Unicellular organisms. Examples is housefly, see butterfly. Next we have to see the crab. This like number of is there. Now we have to see the arthropoda. Arthropoda means jointed legs. This like jointed legs is there. See this like. Here also we have to see the jointed legs. Next we have to see the largest animals. Largest animals on the earth. See, largest animals is present. Next we have to see the found in deepest ocean to highest mountain region. See, deep ocean also is a highest mountain also. These animals is a found. See, triploblastic, eucoelomate, bilateral symmetry and segmented body is present. See, eucoelomate is there, triploblastic is there, same. Next, unisexual. Unisexual organisms, and example is a housefly, butterfly and crab. It is a number of organisms is present in this arthropoda phylum.